We got into this about 5 years ago. Smart drill technology, drones and 3D imaging processing, and blast design software, whether it's in your powder truck or anything. And it all comes together to where you now have something that's quantifiable and measurable and is up to date for the driller, as well as a quarry processing plant, as well as a shooter. As drillers, I have certain information that I want to share and provide, and there's other information that the mine operator wants us to share and provide, as well as the blaster. And we all have different concerns and needs and different data that we look at. And that's one thing that's nice about Strayos with the cloud platform. It's all shareable. It's all there, and you can make sure that the blaster gets what they need, the driller gets what they need, as well as the mine operator. We all have different informations and different needs, and it makes it very easy to get what you need and get what you want. And it's all the same information, but we each want different points of it and different parts of it. As a driller, I worry about rock hardness and penetration rate and everything else, but as a quarry processor, you might want to consider ore bodies, how your haul roads go, and everything else. And then as an explosives guy, you might want to worry about how in the world is this blast going to go off. So this data with Strayos, it all comes together